Good day, viewers. You are welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe to Gifted E-Learning. So today we are going to be dealing with a major concern of calculus, introduction to integration and differentiation. So we are having a problem on integration. So we have 4 problems here. We are going to solve them equally. So number 1. We have dy dx is equals to 2s. We have to integrate this dy over ds by the right hand is equals to 2s. So there is a kind of formula we are going to use for this. It's a kind of, I'm trying to break it down to a layman understanding. For integrating, to integrate this, we are going to add 1 to the power of the number and to divide by the new power. For example, integrating 2s, this is equal to 2s raised to the power of 1, for example. We are adding 1 to the power, then divide by the new power, which is to say, when you are adding 1 to the power, this is already raised to the power of 1, then plus 1 will be equal to 2. Then divide by the new power, which is 2, divide by 2. Okay? So, writing that, we have that integrating 2s will give us 2s raised to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2, divided by 2. Okay? This is also equals to 2s raised to the power of 2 over 2. You see that 2 can cancel 2 to remain s squared. Okay, that's also equals to s raised to the power of 2 plus your constant of integrating. This is the final answer. Okay, you have to add this to show that you are integrating. This is the constant for integration. Okay, let's go to the second question. We have dy dx. Okay, dy dx is equals to 4s squared minus 5s plus 3. Okay, integrating this, we have that, remember what we said, we add 1 to the power, then we divide by the new power. Adding 1 to the power of this will give us 4x squared plus 1. Okay, this is already raised to the power of 1, then plus 1 again. So we have 4s cubed. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now divide by the new power, which is 3. 2 plus 1, 3, divided by the same 3. Okay, now minus 5s raised to the power of 1 plus 1. Okay, because we are integrating, that will be 2. Divide by that same power, which is 2. Okay, now plus, looking at this, this is also equivalent to 3s to the power of 0. But it can't be written like this because anything raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So 3 times 1 is going to give us that same 3. So assuming that this is 3s raised to the power of 0, adding 1 to that power will give you 1. That is equals to 3x. Okay? So adding 3s plus the constant of integration will give you the final solution for this integration. I hope you are getting it. Let's go to another simpler integration problem. We have writing it, we have 6x raised to the power of 2 minus 5. Okay? Okay, this is the x. Dy over dx. Let's just write that we are integrating both sides. Okay? We have 6x squared minus 5 dx. Okay? So remember our rule, add 1 to the power, you divide by the new power. this is going to give us 6s to the power of 3 over 3, then minus 5s. Remember, this is equivalent to this minus 5 here is equivalent to 5s raised to the power of 7. Then adding 1 to the power will give us minus 5x. Okay, that's how we got this 5x. Remember to plus your constant of integration to show that you are integrating. Okay, so this is the answer for 3. Attempting number 4. Number 4 is giving us that 3s cubed over 2 minus 5s plus 1 over s raised to the power of 2. This will look confusing. Actually, this kind of equation you can't integrate directly because it's in a form that's not integratable. So you are going to change this 1 over s squared to a standard that will allow you to integrate directly. So writing this whole equation, you have 3s raised to the power of 3 divided by 2, okay, minus 5s. Now plus, rewriting this, taking this one up, this is like the inverse of this, so you have s raised to the power of minus 2. Okay, so after writing this, you can integrate, take the integral. This is 3s, adding 1 to this will give you 3s raised to the power of 4. Remember, this is already dividing by 2. Dividing by 2, adding this 4 to the 2, we have 2 times 4. Remember, after adding the power 1 to the power, we are going to divide by the new power, which is 4, and 2 is already divided, so we multiply 2 by 4. Okay? Having said that, this is minus 5s. Adding 1 will give us 2 divided by 2. Okay? Plus, you have to be very careful at this moment not to make mistakes. Okay? This is s raised to the power of minus 2 plus 1 now. Minus 2 plus 1 is going to give us minus 1. Okay? That's s raised to the power of minus 1. So divided by the new power will give us s to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. We are not done yet. No need to write the constants of integration because we are not done. Writing this, we have 3s raised to the power of 4 divided by 8, okay, minus 5s to the power of 2 divided by 2, okay. Now plus minus 1 divided by s raised to the power of minus 1. This is minus, just like s raised to the power of minus 1 divided by 1, but this minus is what we are going to take note of. So this is not going to be plus anymore, because positive dividing negative is going to give you negative. So it's going to be negative s to the power of minus 1. Now you can plus the constant of integration. So this is our final answer. Come to the end of integration. Thanks for watching. So if you are new, kindly subscribe to my channel.